Hi guys, my name is Anuj Dutta and every single one of us wants to be attractive. That's a fact. But being attractive not only means that you're dressing well, it's about how you think, how you speak, and how you look in general. So today we're going to talk about 8 habits that will make you more attractive. And if you follow these things, I'm sure you're going to feel incredible about yourself. So the first habit that will make you more attractive is working out. Now if you work out, you'll know about this. The biggest benefit that you'll get from working out is not your body, it's your brain. It is incredible how much more confident you feel after you get a workout done. Now if you haven't checked out my 15-minute full body workout that you can do at home, then you should definitely click over here and watch it. But with that being said, I don't know about you guys, but I feel super pumped and confident after a workout. I can think straight for the whole day and not lose my mind on small things. And not to mention, your body looks amazing. And looking amazing and being confident is definitely attractive. Which rolls me on to the second thing, being confident. And I can assure you that everyone likes a person who is confident in whatever they do, whether it's school presentation or talking to a girl. If you're a shy person, then nobody will actually want to talk to you or hang out with. And I can definitely say girls like guys who have confidence. Now it's not something that you have or not, it is something that you can develop. I wasn't a very confident person myself. I never used to talk to people except my friends. Every time I went to a party, I was always on my phone. But what really helped me is going out trying to talk to people. And by doing that, I made some really nice friends. Now if I can do it, you can do it too. The third thing that will make you more attractive is having a nice sense of humor or being funny. Because studies shows that if you make someone laugh, chances of them remembering you increases. And let's be honest, who doesn't like to laugh? But that doesn't mean that you become a joker. Not that joker, the circus joker. Because there is a big difference between being a clown and being a funny person. So be serious when there's some serious talk going around or you're discussing something important. But be sure to be funny time to time. And let's be honest, girls like guys who are funny, who can make them laugh and lighten up the mood and not be serious all the time. Fourth habit that will make you more attractive is get better sleep. Think of sleep as your brain and your body's nourishment. If you're not getting enough sleep, your brain and your body will be deprived. Another thing that it's going to affect is your complexion. You're going to get bags under your eyes, your skin will be more prone to breakouts, you're going to be more dehydrated. And it's not like one night you get good sleep and everything comes back to normal. It's a consistent thing. You need to get good sleep every single night. Few tips to get better sleep is make sure that it's dark. Stop using your phone 10 to 15 minutes before you go to bed. If your phone has a blue light filter on it, turn it on at least an hour before you go to bed. Exercising daily will also help you get better sleep. Fifth thing that will make you more attractive is by thinking positive. If there is one thing that nobody likes, that is negativity. Because people like to be around people who can make them feel good. But if you're always being negative, you're not going to make anyone around you feel good. They'll probably will want to stop talking to you. If you're always like, the food is bad. I'm not getting more likes on Instagram. Life sucks. If you're always complaining about small things, trust me, people will start avoiding you. So learn to be more positive. That will be way more attractive. Sixth habit that will automatically make you look more attractive is by taking better care of your skin. If you want to look better, be more handsome and be more attractive, then you need to start taking care of your face. A simple basic skincare routine is all you need. Few simple things that each and everyone should do that will make a huge impact on the way you look is wash your face every single day, twice a day, once in the morning when you wake up and once before going to bed to remove oil and dirt. You need to scrub your face once or twice a month to remove dead skin and avoid blackheads. And then every single day you need to moisturize your skin and that's it. Seventh habit that makes you more attractive is being passionate. And the thing is, if you find what you love, what you're really good at, what you're passionate about, other people see it. And it's something that you can't even explain. When you see a person talking about what he's really passionate about, it reflects through their eyes from the way they talk. We are attracted to people who are passionate, who have purpose, who are going out trying to get something and achieve things. Here's the thing, find something that you are passionate about. If you don't know what it is, no problem, just keep looking around. Eighth thing that will make you look more attractive is saying please and thank you. Guys, it's all about manners and common courtesy. When you say please, when you say thank you, when you compliment other people, people automatically start perceiving you as the nice guy. It makes you look like a friendly person, it makes you look like a gentleman. And being courteous is not just about making you look attractive, it's a mind thing too. When you say please, when you say thank you feel good about yourself. It is all about making you feel good about yourself. So guys, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, drop me a like down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our YouTube family. And if you have a specific video idea that you want me to make, do let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, until next time, peace.